us play.
Be gentle, my little ones.
Every morning with you is special.
This is a happy morning. I must go to the market today. Please stay inside and be safe.
We will be careful, Mama.
Open the door only when you hear my voice.
We understand, Mama.
My voice is soft like a song, and my feet are white as snow.
We will remember, Mama.
I'll be back soon.
Goodbye, Mama.
Those goats look delicious. I have a clever plan. They will open the door for me. Open the door, my sweet children.
That's not Mama's voice.
Maybe my voice is soft enough now.
No! Our Mama's voice is gentle.
I need something to fix my voice.
Here, take this honey, but please don't eat me. Now my voice is perfect.
Your feet aren't white. That's wrong.
Well, hello there, little guy. What do you have in the sack?
Oh, it's just flour. I was just heading home.
I need whiter feet something clever.
Take my finest white flour, but be careful. Now my feet are white. Open the door, my children.
Something feels strange.
It's really your mama now.
Yes, but my heart says no.
Run and hide! I will catch you all.
I'll hide behind the curtain.
I'll jump into the cooking pot. Ha! I found you.
No, I must stay hidden.
My babies, where are you? Mama, the wolf took them.
We must follow the tracks.
Yes, Mama.
Mother Goat, why are you crying?
The wolf took my children.
Be careful, everyone.
These tracks lead us to the cave.
Soon, I'll have a delicious feast. I'll take a warm bath before my feast.
Quick, we must untie them.
I'll help. Stay close.
Hush, stay quiet. We'll outsmart him.
Mama!
We're free. Quick, tie Banna in the empty sack.
Are you sure this will work? My feast awaits. Now, Banna.
Run, everyone, hide!
What's happening?
Mama, we're safe.
Keep close. Don't stop moving.
My babies, I was so worried.
Mama, we missed you. Let's play.
Yes, I'm so happy. We need to be careful going home.
Don't worry, I'll watch over you.
Are we almost home, Mama?
Almost. Stay close to me.
Look! The wolf is over there! Quick, hide behind these trees.
Go away, wolf! No! I'll get you next time.
We're finally home!
Everything looks safe again.
Let's clean up this mess.
I'll help, Mama.
What a long day, my little ones.
But we're safe together now.
We must always be thankful for help.
Bana saved us, Mama. Will we see Bana again?
Kind friends always return.
Time for bed now. Can you sing our song, Mama?
Sleep tight, my precious ones.
We love you, Mama.
The night was calm once more. Peace returned to the meadow. A brand new day begins. Good morning, Mama. We must always stay together.
Together we are brave.
Never trust strangers easily.
We will remember, Mama.
But stay where I can see you.
Let's play again.
Let's rest by the water for a while. I love the cool stream.
Hello. Can we play tag?
Of course, friends are always welcome.
You all look so happy.
Let's race. You can't catch me. Stay together, my little ones.
We will, Mama.
Look at that butterfly. I want to catch it. Be careful, my little ones. Time for a short rest. Just a tiny nap, Mama. Be careful, don't go too deep.
Splash, splash.
The sun is setting. Let's go home.
Okay, Mama. We had so much fun. We're home safely at last.
I missed our cozy home. Let's settle in for the evening. It feels so nice to be inside again. Let me tell you a story tonight.
Yes, Mama. We love your stories. Look at all the stars, Mama.
They remind us that we are safe and loved.
Time to wash up before bed. I'll brush my fur quickly, Mama.
Close your eyes, little ones.
Good night, Mama.
All was quiet in the cozy cottage.
I dream of adventures. Mama, wake up! Birds are singing.
Good morning, my little adventurers. Breakfast is ready, everyone.
Yay!
I'm hungry, Mama. Stay close, my little ones.
We're ready, Mama. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Wow! Look at all the flowers! Time for a little snack! Yay! I love honey! Let's rest for a while. I love the shade here, Mama. The sun is setting. Time to head home.
Okay, Mama. We had so much fun.
If you like my video, Press the like button.
Share this to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye!